no tires on the ground, that car is not going to respond well. And these are the problems about driving at these insanely high speeds. Right now, continuing on the on Central Avenue, making our way towards the north part of downtown. So it gives you an idea how fast this car's been going. Thank goodness that light was red, but wide open right there. The car continuing on. Again, I cannot stress this enough. This person could just slow it down, go 40 miles an hour, something. But you can see it right there. He's still about 50 or so. But when he gets into those triple digits in these neighborhoods, I just worry. Oh, look at that, people just walking. Yep, yeah, I see it. He's going to come out the other side. If we can get a little closer, that'd be great, Dylan. I know. Whoa! Go! Yep. Doors are open, cars damaged. Everybody's out there, out running. I haven't seen the driver yet. I don't know if he got out on the passenger side. Running into Chinatown. Oh, my God. Oh, it's creating a panic. People don't know what's going on. It's like they're totally panicking down there. Wow. Basically, what they're doing is the sheriffship is making an announcement on their loudspeakers that there is an armed gunman loose down there, and they're asking people to clear the area. And you can see that response. I have never seen something like that. Yep, we're good right here. We're going to stop right here for a little bit. Hopefully everybody's okay inside of there.